3 years, those impacted by the 2016 murder of a 5-year-old Rock County boy finally have closure, as the last person responsible for the shooting of Austin Ramos Jr. received his sentence earlier today. Rock County reporter Adam Duxter joins us from our bureau at the Janesville Gazette with why today's sentencing means so much to so many. Adam?
Well, Susan, many have a hard time believing it's already been more than 3 years since we first learned about the tragedy involving 5-year-old Austin Ramos Jr. of Beloit. Today's final sentencing, the ending of a final chapter for so many involved.
I hope one day Mr. Martinez can plead with God and ask for forgiveness for all the wrong choices he has made in life.
Members of Austin Ramos Jr.'s family asked not to be on camera, but had words for Hugo Martinez in court today.
Our family will never be the same, and we will never get to hear his voice. Martinez
given the maximum punishment, and with it, 3 years of uncertainty comes to an end. Pivotal for parents and prosecutors.
This has been a long process. This has been 3 years in the making, a lot of hard work.
Assistant District Attorney Mason Braunschweig has handled prosecution of Sergio Raygoza Ortiz, Eric Salazar Mota, Isaac Torres, and today, Hugo Martinez, the 4 men responsible for the January 2016 shooting death of Austin Ramos Jr., a case he took on voluntarily.
When I heard that this matter occurred, I had a 5-year-old child at the time. Kind of hit home.
He says today's max sentence, a win for the justice system. For Beloit Police, it's a reminder of how far things have come.
At the time, I was the interim chief, and I was still living in the forest.
Chief David Zabalski says the shooting came at a time of disorder and distrust of the department. This case changed everything.
It's a whole different level of approach, I think, and sense of urgency.
Hugo Martinez will spend the next 15 years in prison and the following 10 in extended supervision. While family tries to move on, Braunschweig says a case like this changes everything.
The families will at least have, as the judge put, a spot to sort of start moving forward in their lives, but they'll never be the same.
Austin Ramos Jr.'s family says they've established a scholarship in his honor, and while the prosecution is now officially over, they say they'll never forget the things that made him so special.
Adam Duxter, live in Janesville. Adam, thank you.
Another former